Well, if you haven't heard about Uncle is Paden from Unique Automotive, and he tuned this car back when I got the single turbo done. And also did that 91 tune for when we went to Uluru back then. We're just gonna go pay him a visit today, but before that we are really low on fuel. Last time it was the engine light, this time it's the fuel light. I'm not gonna put that on the internet, I'm gonna get cancelled anyway for something.
I'm putting it on the internet.
Admittedly, I haven't driven this car so much because the ball joint was stuffed and I left it in the garage, and I decided I'd get to it when I could. I eventually did, and so I actually haven't even fueled this car for like a month and a half, 2 months. We don't buy these cars to look at fuel, but with what's going on right now, it is a little bit like, do I need to drive it? The answer is always yes. When you can, you drive it. Stuff fuel prices. $1.98, don't mind if I do. That is doing the Lord's work. I've never been to a speedway servo, but yeah, done. Full tank. If anything happens to the engine, then that was this fuel. This is the first time I use this fuel, so don't really trust it. Should be right. We're in Australia, we're in Sydney, everything should be chill. Here we are. Unique Automotive. Uncle. What's happening? Yeah?
Okay.
Look at, I like that.
Oh, that? Yeah.
What have we got here?
Oh, that's just a Corolla.
A Corolla. And this is a...
It's just a Forester.
Yeah, yep, a lowered Forester. And this looks fast.
This is
the Beast.
the N.
The N.
The N.
What is it? It's not a Kona N. What's this? Hang on. What is it? The Venue.
Yeah, the Venue.
What the hell is a Venue?
Yeah.
Who creates a car and calls it a Venue?
Yeah.
The Yaris has new roof racks, I see.
No, it's been there. Do you know why I bought this car?
Why?
Because it's got roof racks. That's the only reason why I bought it.
I thought you put them on. I've
No.
never seen them like
No.
this.
Genuine Toyota roof rack. That's the only reason why I bought it. I saw the roof rack, I said, sold. I bought it 80,000 Ks on the clock. Genuine headlight protector.
Oh my
You
God.
can't- Yeah, I saw that. That's it. Sold.
I didn't know. I mean, you see that and it's like you're either an old man or you're Asian.
Both. Old man and Asian.
I had roof racks once. I actually used them last week. I'm
Yeah?
going to use them. I picked up a couple of doors from Bunnings.
Oh, yeah.
And I did make
Put it on there.
Yeah, 100%. I put one roof rack on the roof,
Yeah.
and I had the soft racks here, and I just put them on top. And I strapped it to the
Something
spoiler
different.
and through the roof, yeah.
I want to get a basket.
A basket, I've got one. You want to take my one off me? It's taking up space.
How big is it?
It's
'Cause
the
this is a small
square.
car.
Yeah, well, it was on this roof.
Oh, yeah. Is there like a basket by
finishes-
here?
It's from here to here, so it's about that big. It's a metal one.
I can only get a
So-
basket here.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring you the basket if you want it. It just sits on my wall. It hangs. It takes up space.
Yeah. I'll see how big it is. Because this car, it's such a
And
small car.
You know what? It says Matt Jay-Z on it as well.
I don't care. I'll drive around
We'll
with that.
send it off and we'll get rid
No,
of the
we'll
Matt
leave
Jay-Z.
it. No, we'll leave it. Matt Jay-Z. Yeah.
Matt
And they go,
Jay-Z sponsored Yaris.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh look, you got fog lights as well. This is like a full option
Factory.
Yaris.
Factory fog light. These are the
Who
base
gets
models.
excited?
It's
over-
sequential. Look, look.
Sequential. Fuck off, sequential. Next, you're gonna call it manual, Hawkins. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know what? At least it actually is a manual. How much power does this make?
I don't know yet. Still in the making.
Tuning
I
phase?
just put new cams in it.
Oh,
Valve
okay.
stem seal springs, new water pump, things like
Okay.
that. Yeah, that's what I've
Why
done.
have you got this here? You're testing a coil or something. What's it plugged
Yeah,
into?
that's when I fire it up, then I have to synchronize the ignition timing. So you got to check that ignition timing reads correctly.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah,
you would
that's
have
what
done
I
that with my car as well in the tuning process?
Yeah, yeah. That way you can
I wasn't there to
calibrate.
see that, sadly.
Yeah.
But
So that way you can calibrate what's on the screen matches what's out here.
yeah. And I love these wheels. I actually wanted a set of these. You know, I hated them in the beginning, and then I
Yeah.
really, really wanted them. This is the original WRX STI. This is the best one.
This is the Ram Raider.
One day I'm gonna own this. We've got the 6-speed STI box,
The 6-speed, yeah.
big brakes. I don't know, I just love the shape. I think they're the best shape to ever come. These are what hyped up everything about the WRX.
Well, there's no other Rexy that comes in a 2-door, is there? And this is the only model that comes out with pump guards with a 22B.
And they gave the Evos a little bit of stress, although the Evos were always probably a little bit better when they ended up going further. But still, I think this is cooler.
Oh yeah, we make jokes of them, but I actually like him.
Oh yeah. I really do want to bring Paden that roof basket because it would be cool to see that on the Yaris, especially with the Matt Jay-Z logo. But it is now time to go. Our visit is over and I'll see you guys on the next one. Time to head back home. Uncle! Where is he? I forgot to say bye. See you later. Ciao.
Say, Uncle.
Bye.